Good evening, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with this latest weather forecast video, weather update video. It's been a while since I've had this, but it's an interesting one because we got snow. So before we get started with anything with the forecast, let me step off to the side here. And you're going to see a pretty wet and gray sky out there. If you look really out into the distance, you're really seeing the fog starting to develop. Because right now the temperature is 35 degrees. And that temperature has slowly been fluctuating up and down, a little bit here and there, but the temperature is at the point where we're causing some fog as the sun's going down now. We're really getting less heating coming up, so now the humidity starts to come up in the evening. And that's what we're going to be seeing, on and off snow showers throughout the rest of the evening. And there's not much sticking around out here right now. Even just like a 2-mile drive where I drove from where I live to where I'm filming right now, it is totally different. 2 miles north, it looks like it is completely snow covered. All the rooftops covered, all the sidewalks are covered. The roads are still a little bit dry over, or just not dry, but wet and liquidy. But here, it really looks like nothing much happened. Doesn't really look like anything besides a few snowflakes came through. And that's the difference when we have this type of snowstorm in the late fall, which is still technically fall right now, where we're having the temperature fluctuating right around the freezing point. And we have this transition from rain to sleet to snow. A couple of miles or 100 feet of elevation change can make all of the difference. So that's something that you're going to keep in mind as you're going through the rest of this evening. Now let's talk about the forecast for the rest of the evening. So it's looking like we're going to be having these temperatures pretty steady into the evening, not really dropping off too much. And any of the rain, snow shower mix should be pretty much done by about midnight or shortly after midnight. Once we start seeing the pre-dawn hours, it's really going to be drying out by then. And tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit on the breezier side. However, it looks to be a bit more of a sunny day than a cloudy, snowy, rainy kind of day. So that's what we're going to be seeing for the evening, or the day tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, going into Tuesday, it also looks like it's going to be clear. And for most of the week ahead, it looks like it's going to be clear. Going into Thursday is really the next chance we're going to see some showers. And then Friday, maybe some snow shower chances. So snow shower chances, again, it's a little bit too early to say anything for certain, but it doesn't look like a lot of snow for the end of this week. All right, now for snow totals. For overnight tonight through early tomorrow morning, it looks like we're going to be seeing from the New York City region into northern New Jersey there, up into the southern part of Rockland and Westchester County, trace to an inch. That's really about it. Kind of what we're seeing right now. Just a little trace of some snow, not even a measurable amount, versus a couple miles up where we could maybe see half an inch. That's for the southern part of Rockland and Westchester County there, northern New Jersey, New York City. Going into Orange County, Ulster County, Putnam County, all of those northern counties. There is a winter weather advisory where they are looking like they're forecasting 3 to 6 inches in the winter weather advisory. I personally don't think it's going to be that much. I think once you're a bit more north there, it's going to be around the 3-inch mark. So yeah, in the 3 to 6 inch range, but I say right at the 3-inch mark. More north of that, yeah, it's going to be colder, but the precipitation is just not going to be there. So really, the bulk of the Hudson Valley is going to be around 3 inches. The southern part of the Hudson Valley, South Rockland and South Westchester, that's going to see maybe around a trace to an inch of snow. And then going into northern New Jersey, just around that same trace to an inch of snow. New York City is really mostly going to be rain. Going out into Long Island, again, it's going to be kind of the same level as New York City, mostly rain to maybe a little trace of snow here and there. And that's really about it for this storm. All right, so that wraps up this weather update video. It is getting dark, and I see the camera struggling a little bit right now, so I will be heading indoors. Have a great rest of your evening. There I am. Have a great rest of your evening, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. I will see you all in that next video.